2018 Dodge Ram 2500 pickup truck, headlight assembly replacement. Got some condensation issues in there already. All right, we got our 10mm bolt down here. 10mm bolt here. We had 4 10mm bolts along the top here. Just get a little freedom. And then just a friction fit here, there, and down here. So just give it a firm pull. Maybe you saw it. He was standing in the way a little bit. Just give it a firm pull out, and you can see it comes out of the slots. And then we'll go in here and get to a lever. And the lever's going to go up. There's a white lever you can kind of see. That's the theory anyway. So here's our up and down slider. We can see a little better view from this side. You kind of see it needs to be centered a little bit too. So you might mess with it a little bit if it's not perfectly perfect. Lock into place. Open up. Beautiful right there. No parking lights. Interesting. So there were some codes stored in the body control module. I wasn't able to clear them, but as we saw, the lights weren't working. But when I was trying to clear the codes, it wouldn't allow me because I'm not directly hooked up to Dodge apparently, or something. But anyway, I turned the key on and off and started it a couple times. And now I've come out here and just to check and see, even if I couldn't clear the codes because there were issues over here. And it seems to be working now, so all good, and we'll worry about clearing the codes. It's a different issue. Then we'll install our 4 10mm bolts along here. And I'm pulling on with these friction fit pins. like that, except we'll have to put our 10mm bolts in. Headlight replacement. Alright, a quick note is these two in the middle are machine type screws threaded for the middle because they go into the metal, and the other two are going into plastic, so they're a real rough coarse thread screw, so not the same.